Next question is, two groups of 100 people each were taken for testing the use of vaccine. 15% contracted disease out of the inoculated person, while 25 contracted the disease in the other group. Test the efficacy of the vaccine use chi-square value. Given that 5% level of significance, chi-square value is 3.84. Okay. So here didn't give the table. First we need to find out the table and calculate the chi-square value. Okay. First you need to find a table. So here total 100 peoples. Okay. Then 15% are contracted disease out of the inoculated persons. So contracted and inoculated, non-contracted and non-inoculated are the two groups. Two attributes are, one is contracted and non-contracted, other is inoculated and not inoculated. So we take two attributes, contracted and inoculated, not inoculated. Next, frequencies. Contracted and inoculated persons are 15. First, we'll give 15% contracted disease out of the inoculated persons. So, contracted and inoculated are 15. Next, 25 contracted the disease in the other group. So, 25 are non-contracted and, contracted and non-inoculated. 15% are contracted and inoculated, and other 25 are contracted but other group. That means not inoculated. So, contracted and non-inoculated are 25. So, total is 100, we know. So, inoculated and contracted, inoculated plus non-contracted and inoculated, total we will give 100. So 100 minus 15 is 85. Here we get 85. Similarly, other group, contracted and non-inoculated are 25. Non-contracted and non-inoculated, we will get 100. So 100 minus 25, 75. So we get, this is the 2x2 contingency table. Okay. Then we can use our formula. First we fix H0, null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is two attributes are independent. That is, inoculation and disease are independent. Inoculation and contracted persons, disease are independent. So we have null hypothesis. Next, we can find the chi-square statica. Here we can use direct formula, chi-square equal to AD minus BC square into N divided by A plus B, C plus D, A plus C and B plus D. So that is equal to 15 into 75 minus 25 into 85 square. Capital N equal to 100 plus 100. Capital N is a row total and a column total. That is equal to 200. Here 40 and here 160. So 200. So capital N is 200 divided by 100 plus 100 or 40 plus 160, 200. Column total or columns total or rows total divided by A plus B. 40 into A plus B. Next C plus D. 160 into A plus C. 100 into B plus D. 100. So you give values in this formula. Then you find out the exact value. The use of calculator. What you get? 3.125. So computed chi-square value is 3.125. This is the computed chi-square value. Okay. Next you find tabled value, but here given that the tabled value 5% level of significance. So calculated value, computed value is 3.125 and tabled value given, tabled value is 3.84. The significance of 5% significance, level of significance. So here tabled value more than the computed value. Calculated value 3.125 is less than the tabled value. Therefore, we accept the H note. We accept null hypothesis. That means two attributes are independent. That is, disease and vaccine is independent of the disease. Okay. Here given tabled value, otherwise you find out the tabled value. Okay.